I'm sure these roads being closed are screwing everybody up. You want to go up to the sea to look for places to take picture? Yeah, keep going. That's the other grill you were looking at, Tracy. Cielito, right there. Sugar, baby, baby, sugar. Look, massage parlor.
I think massage in the hotel is clean.
You're welcome, guys.
You think so?
You ready to one for yourself? Feel free.
So we're on like, need to figure out what street I'm on. But yeah, there was a parking lot there. So I know 1, 2, 3, 4 parking lots. But that one right there, you got to go across that screwed up road to get to it. Right here. Look. Another parking here, look.
You can go wrong way a little bit and you can park here, huh?
Well, no, you can actually turn up that other road, I think. So there's actually two parking lots on the street. This is Pizza Hut on the corner. And then She Restaurant, the Thirsty Cougar. Everybody. I was looking for the street name, but it's right next to the Thirsty Cougar. Right here. That's 2 parking lots. I seen that one the other night. That must be Yama's over there, huh? So look, Tracy, look for the places on here to get a picture. Hello, baby. Yama, that's it, Yama. So right around the corner from Yama. Look at the guys dancing, Tracy. Look. The break dancers.
If we can find something.
I don't know.
We stay here with what we don't.
Silver, gold, pharmacy, no prescription needed.
Look out. The sea. You're not swimming today. The sea is way too rough, man. You're not swimming at all today.
Wait, sir, did you talk to my agent?
So you're going to
Hola, bienvenidos amigos. Silver, gold.
trying to get you to buy some gold.
Howdy.
And what it's Your feet hurt, your back hurt.
Yeah.
That way. Go now.
Keep going, sure.
So you can turn away and then you back. So you know, and park in the next block. No. You want to go and you go, but I'm not buying anything.
$9.87.
I need to have a soup here and have a live music, man. 6 p.m. to
6
9
to 9.
p.m. But hey, look.
You want to come here?
Yeah, maybe one tonight or tomorrow. But you can park here or what?
No, I can park only around the corner.
Yeah, look. But you see, you have some food. Yeah, if you want music, we go here.
987.
6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then let me think about we can do one day. We go.
Alright. Cruise terminal. Behind us, that's the ferry terminal.